Hi Pisces! So welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is Pisces for June 11 to June 13. No? Pisces, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button and comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the Z notification bell para po ma-notify po kayo every time na tayo nag-release po ng bagong video. No? So Pisces, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Pisces, let's start. So, ang nakikita ko dito, parang kahit yung isip mo sinasabi sa'yo, I don't want it anymore. You have to let this go. Pero yung puso mo, sinasabi dito na you still need to stretch your patience. Konti pa, kaya pa yan. What you need to do here is, kind of like a basic planning. Kailangan mo lang ayusin yung mga bagay-bagay. Wag sumuko. No, especially when it comes to the relationship, because you're seeing a vision that someday, one day, or it could also be not relationship, just a dream, no, or it could be a dream, your goals in life. Na parang sige, kaya yan, no, kaya natin yan. Wag lang susuko. With the Ten of Swords, the Temperance, and the Strength card, I feel like pagod lang tayo when it comes to physical, mental, and probably spiritual. Doon sa mga taong ayaw mo nang makipag-usap, no, ayaw kausapin yung person nila. Pwedeng ikaw yung hindi kinakausap, pwedeng ikaw yung ayaw makipag-usap, but it doesn't mean that that is the end of it. Nakikita ko lang dito, there's so much exhaustion that is happening in your life, and I feel like you need more than 24/7, no? And you need more than 24 hours, actually. I feel like napaka-busy natin lately. With the Three of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles, you'd rather spend time earning money rather than being with friends for the most numbers of you. Parang sinasabi mo, kesa naman um, makipag party-party ako, no, or inuman, no, I would rather want to spend, at least mag-isip, something to make myself a little productive, di ba? Pwedeng kumikita tayo, naghanap tayo ng pagkakakitaan, or katulad nga nag-invest tayo sa sarili natin. With the Ten of Swords, it's clarified by the Six of Pentacles and the Page of Cups. I feel like merong nagkakagusto sa ating bago. Someone is also stalking us, probably nakikipag-usap sa atin, or hindi pa tayo kinakausap, nagpinaplano pa lang. Pero someone is liking you from afar. So, hindi pa halata ito nagpapakilala, no? With the Temperance in here, palaging nag-visit siya sa iyong website, sa iyong page, sa iyong profile, no? I feel like somewhat nanonotice mo or alam mo na kung sino ito. With the Sun, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Chariot, I feel like napakalayo, no, nitong taong ito, or malayo siya sa iyo, no. For a few numbers of you, marunong mag-drive, or ikaw ito marunong mag-drive. With the Nine of Pentacles, I also feels like, no, napapansin mo. Napapansin mo kung sino siya, and somewhat, I feel like masaya ka naman na alam mong may nagkaka-crush sa iyo, no? With the Ace of Pentacles and the Two of Pentacles, pero hindi mo pa sure yun. So, hindi pa sure ni Pisces kung ready na ba ako for a relationship. Basta alam ko, I'm happy with myself. Contented ako um, sa kalagayan ko ngayon. I'm not lonely. And I feel like I don't need someone by my side right now. No, with the Nine of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, and the Tower, what I am seeing in here, sabihin natin na gusto ko man, no, ibigay itong puso ko or magsimula muli. Pero feeling ko hindi pa ako ready because of the past traumas or past relationships, yung mga nangyari sa akin. With the Page of Swords and the Seven of Swords, especially doon sa mga naipasok sa third party nang hindi naman nila alam, no, na nasa third party situation sila. I feel like nakabangon kayong mabuti and you don't want to be in a, as of the moment, you're not looking for someone right now. Basta kayo happy, may kinikita, kumikita, you're focusing on yourself, no? So Pisces, this is your reading. Let's check here the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Sagittarius, I'm seeing Taurus, Cancer, Virgo, Capricorn, I'm seeing Leo. Yeah, I'm seeing Scorpio. Yeah, Pisces. Yep. So this is your reading, Pisces. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate or hit the notification bell para po ma-notify po kayo every time na tayo nagre-release po ng bagong video, no? Sa mga gusto pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yun, that is Babaylan TV. No? Nagla-live din po tayo doon, pero kung hindi nyo po matsyempohan, pwede po kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. No? Kung feeling nyo po hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po ng video na ito, meron link, no? Meron po tayo dong promotions, discounted price for 4 question plus 1. So, check nyo po, no, yung mga details, and kung gusto nyo pong mag-avail ng ating private reading, na nasa description box din po yan. So, love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, Pisces.